Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. It's really windy and rainy right now, or it did rain heavily. It's going to rain all day today and tomorrow here in Central California, Zone 9B. I'm going to do an update video on a video I did long ago. I'll put the link here or up here somewhere on the screen. That way you can see the older video about I think it was called Bug-Free Mint, on how I grew mint in pots. I only grow a mint in a pot, and relatively had no bug bites ever since I grew it. In the summertime it got too hot, and the mints in a pot, even in the shade, would dry out. Every day I would have to really root out, I'm assuming. I would have to water it twice a day. So I got tired of doing that, and I gave it away to somebody that likes to plant it in their garden. So right here is pak choi and lettuce green. I do not remember the name of it, but as you can see, relatively, I'm assuming, not that I could see, but maybe somewhere deep in there, there's some bug bites, but I don't see any. And I've never received any bug bites in any one of my potted plants from a few things that I do. And one of them is like the older video, sorry for the wind, like the older video, I dilute hot peppers like habanero or jalapeno or whatever's hot, okay, into water, let it sit and boil for a bit, and then, you know, obviously cool it off and put it in a spray bottle and spray my plants with them. And it seemed to work, which it is working, because I still do it today, and it worked back then. And I'm assuming it burns the mouth parts of insects, or they just don't like it, period. And I added liquid soap to that now as well, just so it can adhere to the plant a little bit better instead of just falling off when I'm spraying, the spiciness, that is. So if you watch the older video, please keep in mind that I add liquid hand soap, just one pump into a little, liter or spray bottle, with the pepper juice, basically hot pepper juice. I still do that today, and you can see, I'll do another close-up, and look how dark green everything is. Just no insects, no insect bites, just fresh, Just loving it. Great in salads, great in stir fry with this one, the pak choi. This is amazing salad. My son loves this. Just really compact in there. And typically when, let me zoom out a little bit, when it's compact like this, you typically find a lot of problems or snails, something, and there's nothing ever. I've looked, I'm not naive or egotistical. I'm not Mother Nature. I'm not out here all the time. Worms are around, caterpillars are around, snails and slugs, but they don't want this, with that hot spicy spray, and a little bit of soap in that spray. It's a great deterrent. Any of you are growing, especially now, since we're going through what we're going right now in the world, the entire world, and you're having problems, make a dilution of peppers into a spray. Now, the right recipe, I don't know. Like what I would do, or what I've done is, I think I did like a half a gallon of water boiling, and I put two cut open habanero or 5 jalapenos into the water. Let it boil for about a minute and simmer for about 5 minutes, and then shut it off and let it sit there until it's lukewarm or cooled off completely. Then put it in a spray bottle and spray your plants with liquid hand soap. Feed yourself, because no one else is going to feed you unless you're a baby, like a real baby, like my little one. Other than that, don't expect anybody to feed you. Feed yourself, and happy gardening.